Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll let go of expectations we may have around our meditation practice, learn to befriend and accept our mindful experiences just as they are. Begin by finding an easy, seated position. As you close your eyes, let your back straighten. Allow your posture to remain alert yet relaxed. Gently roll your shoulders back to open your chest and let your breath move more freely. Relax your shoulders, your neck, your whole face. And as you bring your attention to your breath, let it deepen slightly. Though we breathe naturally, we usually do it on automatic pilot. Take a few moments to feel your body breathing in and breathing out. Now, soften your breathing back to its natural rhythm. Find a nice, easy breath and notice the spontaneous rise and fall of your chest. As you breathe in, notice your chest expanding gently. As you breathe out, observe your chest gently settle and your ribcage softening. Stay as open and curious as you can here, noticing the sensations of your breath move in your chest. And watch for any tendency to judge your experience. Rather than falling back on ideas of how it should feel to watch your breath at your chest, remain present with whatever you are feeling. No labels, no expectations. When we sit in meditation with our breath, it is perfectly normal for our mind to wander. So when you catch yourself lost in thought or distractions, lovingly come back to your breath. Meditation isn't about attaining a specific state of mind or changing anything. It's about learning to stay calm and focused, regardless of our experience. Do your best here to let go of any need to control your practice. let go of any expectations you have about your ability to meditate or about any sensations or feelings that arise. Instead, give yourself permission to be right here, right now. Stay present with your breath, with your body, with your mind, regardless of what that looks like. Most of us come to meditation after hearing promises of reduced anxiety, better sleep, or a sharper, more focused mind. And though meditation can indeed contribute to all of these things, the goal isn't actually to create anything. At first, this can be a challenging thing to conceptualize and accept. But the truth is that even though we can gain lots of positive effects from our practice, we don't meditate to create a specific state of mind. Instead, our task is to develop presence and awareness. Every time we sit in meditation, our job is to observe whatever we are feeling. We learn to make room for our experience without judging it as good or bad, right or wrong. With practice, we begin to accept things just as they are. So rather than valuing your practice's success by how calm and serene you are, learn to be present with whatever arises without expectations. You'll be freer to enjoy your experience as it is, rather than judging it by what you think it should be. You may even find that this acceptance naturally creates a little more ease in your mind and body. Now, start to bring your awareness back into the room around you. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's meet back here soon.